That's right. Put it in the food dish, kitty. That's a good kitty, kitty. Good kitty, kitty. Good kitty, kitty. Come on, kitty. What the hell are you doing? You gotta start eating it or something. That poor birdie. Uh-oh. Kitty, kitty. I'm not gonna take it, kitty. I'm not even moving. Just eat it. Uh-oh. Ooh, it's still alive. Do you hear it squeak? What the hell? That was terrible. I mean, it's nature, but that was downright hilarious.
How would you like to be the bird?
I think I would squeak too, motherfucker. Kitty, kitty.
Don't touch her, she'll leave. Oh, crunch. Crunch, crunch.
Oh, man. That's terrible. Alright, we're gonna leave the kitty alone now.
You could call these Yuki's nature.